No exaggeration, I recently saw someone make $5,000 with only 1 hour of work. What if I told you that you could also make $5,000 by trading just 1 hour of your time, even as a complete beginner? How, you ask? But before I tell you, I need you to click on that subscribe button and comment down below your country name so that I can tailor my content according to your needs if you want to make money online and be successful. When companies launch new products, they want to market those products, and sometimes they will pay you to try or talk about them. Imagine if Doritos was launching their brand new flavor, Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle. You can just taste it now, can't you? They might plan an event where they invite people to a cool location and then hand out free bags of new chips, plus merch or other cool giveaways. Well, crypto companies do the same thing, except when they do it, they give you way more in terms of the dollar amount, and you don't have to go somewhere to make awkward small talk. You can do it from your couch, and you can do this even if you're not a crypto nerd like me. They call these crypto airdrops. So what is a crypto airdrop? At the most basic level, it's free money. Like a drop of food or supplies out of the back of an airplane, an airdrop gets you free crypto tokens that you can exchange for dollars or whatever you want. Usually, you do a few tasks for a specific crypto project, and for doing that, they drop you some of their tokens as a little thank you. Okay, now that you know what a crypto airdrop is, how do you make thousands of dollars with them? And can a total beginner really do this? Well, in my community, several members did a few tasks that took about an hour of their time to qualify for an airdrop from a crypto project called Arbitrum. In doing so, they earned between $3,500 and over $5,000 for that time spent. I bet that was one of the best hours they've ever spent. If you want to do the same, I have found 3 upcoming airdrops that you definitely need to check out, and I will tell you exactly how to take advantage of them in the easiest way possible. First up is the ZK Sync airdrop. ZK Sync is a Layer 2 solution for Ethereum, making transactions faster and cheaper. This airdrop could potentially pay you $2,000 up to $10,000 or more. It really depends on how much time you spend on it and how much you interact with their ecosystem. You could spend 1 hour, do the bare minimum, and make $2,000, or you could spend an extra 30 to 45 minutes and do a few more tasks and maybe make an extra $5,000. It's really a choose-your-own-adventure scenario, so choose wisely. How do you get this airdrop? Step 1. Download and set up a MetaMask wallet. Step 2. Use a site like chainlist.org to add the ZK Sync network. Step 3. Use their bridge and perform a few swaps on their decentralized exchange called Mute. And that's it. At least at the very most basic level, that will help you hit the basic requirements so you can earn a decent amount of money from this airdrop. However, you get bonus points for even more airdrop potential by doing additional swaps and just generally exploring their entire ecosystem. Do that, and you just need to wait until they announce their airdrop details to find out exactly how much you will get. Next is Layer 0. Layer 0 wants to connect all major crypto chains, enabling you to send tokens from Ethereum to, let's say, the Avalanche network with as few barriers as possible. This airdrop could pay you $500 to $3,000 or more. They are currently testing their bridge with test versions of tokens, so all you need to do is use their testnet bridge, which is free. You can get test tokens from their token faucets at the bottom of their bridge page. This is an easy one to hop into because there is zero cost. The last airdrop is Starknet. Starknet is similar to ZK Sync, built on Ethereum to improve speed and scalability. This airdrop will likely pay around $2,000, but potentially a whole lot more. How do you get the Starknet airdrop? Step 1. Get some Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. Step 2. Set up the Starknet Argent wallet. Step 3. Bridge some Ethereum from the MetaMask wallet to the Starknet wallet using the Starknet bridge. Step 4. Follow the weekly tasks to get NFTs and stay up to date with the airdrop. Step 5. Use their various apps in their ecosystem like Jedi Swap and ZKX. One more super important note. While initially you might get a few $1,000s worth of tokens from a specific airdrop, you might qualify for additional airdrops of other tokens down the line. Airdrops can be the gift that keeps on giving. And what better gift is there than that? That's it for this video. If you want detailed guides on these airdrops, comment down below and I will personally send you a PDF containing more useful airdrops and a more detailed guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.